Hello everyone. So I'm going to talk about the rug pad sale that we have going on right now. So everybody hates being sold. I'm just going to talk about the benefits of having the rug pad underneath your Oriental rug or area rug in your home. The big benefit is it adds some softness to the rug because these are pads. These aren't like these aren't just like solid, rigid pieces that you put underneath your rugs. They do add a little bit of like cushion to the pad or cushion to your rug. So we have the Eco Value, which you can see it's a little bit thinner than the Eco Supreme here. It has these little rubber dots on here with a little flower pattern. Now, this is going to help with like your thinner mats, like maybe down your hallways. And you can even put this underneath some big rugs too, and it'll keep it from sliding around. Now, the Eco Supreme, this is the really good stuff. This is a premium stuff. It's got a lot more thickness to it than the other one. You can see the difference here. Okay. Now this is what you'd want to put like in your living room, underneath your furniture, all that fun stuff. Because it's going to do a couple of things. One, it's going to make that rug feel even softer and more luxurious. Number two, see it's got this solid. It looks like a rubberized back. It's actually not rubber, but it's real grippy. It's got this solid back on here because this actually will prevent spots and spills and pet urine and all that fun stuff from getting onto your hardwood floors underneath your rug. Okay, so this is a super saver when it comes to delicate surfaces underneath your rug. The other part is both of these rug pads will help keep your rug, if it has a really hard back, from damaging the hardwood floor underneath. So that's a big bonus. The other big bonus, these are made in the United States, okay? So these pads are made in the United States. They're not coming from China. They don't have any bad odors or anything like that. They're not made with any formaldehydes or anything like that that would be bad for your house, your pets, and your kids. These are, for those of us that are real nerdy, this is Certified Green Label Plus by the CRI Institute. CRI certifies products and equipment to work properly and be safe in your home. These are recyclable if you guys recycle. These will not degrade over time. This does not degrade. There's nothing natural in this. There's no latexes in any of these products. These will not stain or discolor your floor underneath. These stand up to our professional washing here at our shop. Now, so say you have a rug that got hit with some pet urine, and that pet urine ended up being in here. We can actually clean. Actually, we can clean both of these types of rugs, no problem. But we can clean these, so you don't have to throw them away. They're an investment, and these are warranted for the lifetime of your rug. So that makes a big difference. You're not going to buy some cheap pad for your, $5,000 Persian. We do definitely have clients that invest quite a bit of money into their rugs and into their homes, and you want to have premium products to go along with your super nice house. So all of these two paddings that we're stocking are made in America. It's always a big bonus. But if you guys are interested in getting these pads, either one of these, maybe you want this one for the hallway and you want this one for underneath a rug in your living room or in your bedroom, get that nice soft feel and protect your floors, just give us a call, 814-547-1848. You can also go online and check us out at whencleancounts.com. We'd be glad to answer any questions you have. And then we have that special going on right now for these pads. Okay, so I have 2 large rolls in our shop right now, and I'm gonna let these 2 rolls sell out for the sale price. But once they're gone, they're gone. So if you guys want these in your house to help prevent your rug from damaging your floor, or to help just keep them from sliding around, just give us a call. And again, that's 814-547-1848. And hopefully I'll see you soon. And you can visit us online again. It's whencleancounts.com. So thanks for watching, and hope to hear from you soon. And nothing else, call us for your rug cleaning. All right, thanks.